Every single day, millions of ice cream bars are produced inside factories like this. But have you ever wondered how your favorite frozen treat is actually made?
Welcome inside one of the world's most advanced ice cream production facilities. It all begins with fresh milk delivered daily from local dairy farms. Before production starts, every batch is carefully tested to meet strict food safety standards. Milk, cream, sugar, and flavors are blended together to create the perfect ice cream base.
The mixture is pasteurized, gently heated to eliminate harmful bacteria and ensure safety. This process breaks down fat molecules, giving ice cream its smooth and creamy texture.
The mixture is rapidly cooled to preserve freshness and prepare it for freezing. Now comes the exciting part, creating the flavors that people around the world love. The liquid ice cream is poured into molds that shape each bar perfectly.
Automated machines insert sticks with incredible precision.
In freezing tunnels reaching sub-zero temperatures, the bars solidify within minutes. A rich layer of chocolate creates that satisfying outer shell.
Some bars receive an extra layer of crunch with nuts or cookie pieces.
They enter another deep freeze to lock everything perfectly in place. High-speed machines wrap thousands of bars every single hour.
Robots prepare the products for shipment across the country.
Stored at carefully controlled temperatures, they are ready for distribution. From factory to freezer, your favorite dessert begins its journey to stores nationwide.
Next time you enjoy an ice cream bar, you'll know the incredible technology behind every bite. Subscribe to discover how the foods you love are really made.